your bag, we will do them first. The bag is too big.
Well, I'm saying we are bored here now, my family. Yeah, guarantee. Yeah, we are bored up here now.
Welcome to board to the
So I'm going to build back. Our group,
1, 2, 3, and 4. Welcome to board to the priority line.
Yeah. So you know it's the Rasta man here. And I'm on my way to Jamaica right now. Sorry I didn't get a chance to respond to the TikTok video there. As you see, it's got 1 million views. And for some reason, I have no idea how to get paid off of TikTok people. So, we just have 1 million views for no reason. Yeah, guarantee. But big up yourself, give thanks for everyone that has liked and shared the content. Yeah, guarantee it's Rastafari, so you know, say and the ad fan. Yeah. Favorite Jamaicans on the YouTube and the internet, TikTok. So I want to, you know, again, give thanks for all the comments, all the shares. This is the first video I ever posted that went 1 million views. So I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate of that. And all I did was just took 3 videos and put them together. So, you know, big up my new boss, you know, Donald Trump. Big up my old boss, Joe Biden. You can stay asleep right now. Yeah, Gamela, you try a thing, but it never works for what it's worth. Yeah, because people never know where you're dealing. All we know say you're middle class. But I want to say again, you know, big up all the people that has, you know, followed, subscribed to the channel, yeah, to the Rastaman channel. And I want to say really, I'm elated to know that one of the videos that I had, you know, a hand on with 1 million views. I would like someone to tell me how can I get monetized or how can I make money off this TikTok thing, because you know I have over what 13,000 followers now, and I just see one of the videos is 1 million, one is over 200,000, and I want to find out how I could really start making money on this TikTok. YouTube, I don't figured it out. I don't know the metrics on TikTok. I guess you have to go live, and I'm not a person that's too live. Yeah, I guarantee a lot of the time to do the video, but I'm gonna start doing lives now that I see a lot of people have tuned in, see if I could manipulate the situation a little bit more and get you another, meme with Donald Trump. As I said, it's the first that I posted a video and it reached 1 million, so I'm really elated. I want to thank you very much. Big up yourself. Thanks for tuning into the Rastaman channel. On my way to Jamaica, JA, so you might not see a few posts for a few weeks or so, a few days, but as soon as I forward or as I get into a Wi-Fi area, yeah, I'll keep you updated. But I just want to say give thanks and praise to the Most High. Everyone that has passed by, has followed, has left a comment. I will be doing some more conservative news, meaning I'll be speaking about the Democrats and their blues, and I'll be bigging up all the mega. Yeah, mega for life, more joy. Congratulations to Donald Trump, Kamala and Biden. Yeah, I'm on my way to Jamaica, so more life and more joy. American Airlines me a fly. Yeah, big up yourself.